Welcome to Elevate Learning Bite. My name is Cam, and today we're going to be talking about creating the perfect pitch, the perfect sales pitch. And we've really tried to simplify this process. It can often be overcomplicated, and so we've come up with a 5-step process to be able to show how we can be successful in sales. And the first that we've got is about being able to understand customer needs. So the more questions that we're able to ask to be able to uncover these needs, the more successful we are going to be. What we do not want to see is people coming in at the beginning of a conversation with a potential client and starting straight away to be able to say, this is what our product does, this is what our service is good for, etc. We need to uncover those needs. And the reason that we do that is so that we can move on to step 2, which is about finding those pain points that our customers have. And we've broken these pain points down because they're generally all about the same thing. We could be selling any particular product or service. Almost always it's about one of these 7 things, which is about revenue or sales. It's something related to customers, to their employees, their staff. It could be related to their products. It could be related to technology. It could be related to capital, or it could be related to change if they're going through change within their business. In B2B, I could say we could even simplify it to another level. I would say 90% of the time it's about generating more revenue, saving on costs, or creating efficiencies within the business. So we've got to try and uncover what those pain points are for our customers. And the third step is that we need to be able to ease the pain for the customers. And so this is about not just selling everything that we have, this is about matching the features and benefits of our products with the pain points and the needs that we've already uncovered from them. That is what we're trying to do here in the sales process. So the third is about easing that pain, matching those needs to the features, advantages, and benefits. The fourth one that we've got is about facts and stories. So they say that facts tell and stories sell. So facts, we're talking here about being able to use data, being able to use graphs, being able to use different measurements to be able to prove that our product or service is working. People need the detail and they want the facts to be able to support what you're saying. The second is about the stories, telling the stories, because this is how we really connect with the customer. This is how we actually engage with them and really connect with them. So we want to be able to tell stories. The most common stories that we tell in business-to-business sales are about our other customers' successes. And this does 2 things. The first is that it almost acts as an informal testimonial from that other client because they've used you and they've had success. And then the second thing is that it lowers the risk for them to make a decision to use your product and service. It's saying somebody else has already taken that risk, and so it's not as risky for you to be able to do it now. So we're making it as easy as possible for our customers or potential customers to be able to use our product and service. And the last is just about asking for the business. All too often we get to the end of a perfect presentation, they're matched to the needs, everything else, and I see sales reps coming in and not actually closing the deal. At this point, we've done all those processes right. We need to ask for the business. It may be a conditional close, that is a close where they will agree to go ahead, but we have to meet a few different demands or circumstances. So that's possible, but we need to be asking for the business. So those 5 steps again are understanding our clients' needs, finding the pain points, easing the pain points for the customer, using facts and stories to be able to sell and engage with that customer. And then the last one is asking for the business. So thanks for listening. See you on the next episode.